Mm. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The garden is still blooming. The island is still beautiful. But every flower I see brings me back to you. Me remember the days when you walked through my garden. Your smile was the reason my heart started growing. You brought colors into my darkest skies, like a sunrise shining through my eyes. We picked flowers beneath the palm trees, dreaming of forever beside the sea. Every petal carried a story we knew. Every blossom reminded me of you. But seasons changed and you went away, leaving memories that refuse to fade. Now I walk through this garden alone, searching for the love that once felt like home. Every rose, every leaf, every flower I see carries a little piece of you and me. Every fragrance in the evening air makes me feel like you are still there. Every flower reminds me of you. Every color brings back what we knew. The garden blooms but my heart still cries, missing the love behind those eyes. Every flower reminds me of you. The memories are forever true. Though you left and walked away, your love still grows inside me every day. Oh girl, I still remember, I still miss you. We walk along the path where we used to meet, feeling your presence with every step of my feet. The flowers dance with the island breeze, like they are telling stories of you and me. The reggae rhythm plays soft tonight, underneath the Caribbean moonlight. The ocean waves whisper your name, but nothing ever feels the same. I gave you my heart, I gave you my trust, built our dreams from love and dust. Now I hold these memories close, like the petals of the flower you chose. Every flower reminds me of you, of the love that felt so beautiful and true. The sun still shines, the rain still falls, but your memory remains through it all. Every flower reminds me of you, a reminder of the love we knew. Even though you're far away, my heart still calls your name. Oh, Jah. Nature remembers, the trees remember, the flowers remember. And sometimes a simple little flower can bring back a whole lifetime of love. Maybe someday my heart will heal, and these memories won't hurt like they feel. Maybe I'll smile when I see your face, and remember love without the pain. But I'll always treasure those days we had, the happiness, the love, the laughs. You were the sunshine inside my soul, the missing piece that made me whole. The garden will bloom year after year, even when you're no longer near. And every flower that opens in spring will remind me of the love you bring. Every flower reminds me of you, a beautiful memory I hold on to. The seasons change, the years may fly, but your love will never say goodbye. Every flower reminds me of you, the sweetest love I ever knew. Though our story came to an end, your memory will remain. flowers bloom for a season, some memories bloom forever. And every flower I see will always remind me of you. Of you. Oh, Jah. The ocean is calling, the island is breathing, and somewhere between the waves I found a love I never want to lose. Oh, oh, Me remember the first day you came my way, like a sunrise bringing a brand new day. Your smile was brighter than the Caribbean sun. From that moment my heart knew you were the one. We walked together beside the sea, dreaming about what our future could be. The palm trees danced with the island breeze, while love was growing between you and me. Your voice was the rhythm inside my soul. Your love was the peace that made me whole. With every wave that touched the shore, I fell deeper for you more and more. Every ocean tide, every morning light reminds me that you make my world right. Every star shining above the blue feels like the universe led me to you. I'm lost in the waves of your love, floating like a dream beneath the stars above. Your heart is my ocean, your arms are my home. With you I never feel alone. I'm lost in the waves of your love, a blessing sent from heaven above. The tide may rise, the storms may come, but my heart will always choose you, my love. Oh girl, forever with you, forever in your love. Me see your beauty in the morning sky, in every cloud that passes by. The flowers bloom a little brighter too, because everything reminds me of you. The reggae rhythm moves with our hearts like a melody that never falls apart. The moon watches while we hold on tight, dancing together under the island night. You are my peace when the world gets rough, the one who shows me what love is enough. No treasure found across the sea could ever mean more than you to me. I'm lost in the waves of your love, where every moment feels like paradise enough. Your laughter is the song I want to hear. Your love is the reason I have no fear. I'm lost in the waves of your love, a beautiful journey sent from above. No matter where the ocean flows, my heart follows wherever you go. Oh Jah, some people search the whole world looking for something real, but I found my paradise inside your heart. The years may pass and seasons change, but my love for you will stay the same. Like the ocean keeps touching touching the shore. I'll keep loving you forevermore. When the rain falls and the night gets long, I'll be beside you, keeping you strong through every storm, through every tide. I'll be right here by your side. The island knows the love we share. The stars above know how much I care. And every wave that comes and goes carries the love my heart still shows. I'm lost in the waves of your love, the sweetest feeling I have ever known. You are my sunshine, my ocean, my sky, the reason my spirit can fly. I'm lost in the waves of your love, forever grateful for the gift from above. As long as the ocean reaches the sand, I'll always be holding your hand. Oh yeah, forever loving you, forever lost in your love. Yeah man, the ocean has many waves, but only one love can make the heart feel at home. And that love is you. I'm lost in the waves of your love. Oh Jah, before you came, my world was quiet, but then you arrived, like the sunrise after the rain, bringing colors into my life. Me remember the days when the sky felt gray, walking alone with no light on my way, searching for something my heart couldn't find, a little peace, a little sunshine. Then you came like a beautiful song, showing my heart where it truly belongs. Your smile was brighter than morning light, turning my darkness into something bright. The island breeze started feeling new, the flowers bloomed in different hues. Every moment became a paradise, because I saw the world through your eyes. Every color in the sky above reminds me of your beautiful love. Every rainbow after the rain shows me happiness can come again. You bring colors into my life, you turn my darkness into light. You are the sunshine in my day, the reason my worries fade away. You bring colors into my life, making everything feel so right, like a rainbow across the sea. You bring out the best in me. Oh girl, you are my sunshine, you are my everything. You see your love in the ocean blue, in every wave that comes shining through. I hear your laughter in the island breeze, like a sweet melody among the trees. The reggae rhythm moves with our hearts, a beautiful song that never falls apart. Under the moon and the stars above, I celebrate this precious love. You gave me hope when I felt alone, you made my heart feel like home. No treasure hidden across the sea could ever mean more than you to me. You bring colors into my life, you make every moment shine so bright. The world was missing something true, until the day I found you. You bring colors into my life, everything. They can turn tears into smiles, storms into sunshine, and ordinary days into beautiful memories. When the years pass and time moves on, I'll still remember this beautiful song, the love we share beneath the sky, the reason I feel alive. I'll hold your hand through every storm, keep your heart safe and warm. Through every sunrise, every night, I'll be there standing by your side. The flowers will bloom, the oceans will flow, but my love for you will continue to grow, because you gave my heart a brand new start and painted happiness inside my heart. You bring colors into my life. You are my joy, my paradise. You make the stars shine even more, like waves dancing along the shore. You bring colors into my life, my beautiful love, my guiding light. Forever grateful, forever true. My world is brighter because of you. Oh yeah. Forever my sunshine, forever my love. Yeah man. Some people bring memories, some people bring happiness, but a special person brings colors into your whole life. You bring colors into my life. Yeah man. Oh yeah. Every garden needs sunshine, every flower needs rain, and my heart needs your love, because together we created a garden where our love grows. Me remember the day you came into my life, like a beautiful flower blooming in paradise. You brought a smile to my lonely days and filled my world with your loving ways. We planted dreams beneath the palm trees, growing our love beside the Caribbean seas. Every moment, every memory we made became the flowers in the garden we saved. Your kindness was the water for my soul. Your love was what made my heart whole. With every sunrise and every night, you made my world shine so bright. Like a flower reaching for the sun, our love grows stronger as time goes on. Through every season, through every storm, your love keeps my heart safe and warm. This is the garden where our love grows, where every flower tells our story it knows. With your hand in mine, we stand together, growing our love forever and ever. This is the garden where our love grows, a beautiful place where happiness flows. No storm can break what we have made. Our love is the flower that will never fade. Oh girl, you are my garden, you are my love. Me see your beauty in every sunrise, in the ocean waves and the endless skies. The butterflies dance when you walk by, like nature is singing a love song tonight. The reggae rhythm moves with our hearts, a melody that keeps us from falling apart. Under the moon and the stars above, we celebrate this pass, but the love we built will always last, like roots growing deep in the ground. Our hearts are forever bound. When the rain falls, I'll stand with you. When the skies are gray, I'll see you through. Because real love doesn't run away, it grows stronger every day. The flowers may change, the seasons may turn, but this love is a fire that will always burn. In this garden beneath the Caribbean sky, our love will live and never die. This is the garden where our love grows, the sweetest place my heart ever knows. You are my flower, my sunshine, my dream, the most beautiful love I'll never see. This is the garden where our love grows, a paradise where our forever flows, hand in hand until the end of time. Your heart will always stay with mine. Oh yeah, forever growing, forever loving, forever you and me. Yeah man, some gardens grow flowers, but the greatest gardens grow love. And my favorite place will always be the garden, where our love grows. Yeah man, oh Jah, sometimes one moment can change your whole life. One smile, one look, one beautiful soul, and suddenly forever begins. Oh, me remember the day when I saw your face, a moment my heart will never erase. The sun was shining, the ocean was bright, everything felt perfectly right. Your smile was warmer than the morning sun, and from that day my new life begun. You brought happiness into my heart, a beautiful journey was ready to start. The palm trees danced with the island breeze, the waves sang softly across the seas. Everywhere I looked, I could see a future waiting for you and me. Every sunrise, every day, I thank Jah you came my way. Every heartbeat feels so true, because my forever starts with you. My forever begins with your smile, the reason life feels so worthwhile. You bring the sunshine after rain, you wash away my every pain. My forever begins with your smile. I wanna walk with you every mile, under Caribbean sky so blue. My heart found home in you. Oh girl, your smile is my paradise, my forever love. Me don't need diamonds shining bright, your love is my greatest light. Me don't need treasures across the sea, because your heart is enough for me. When the world feels heavy and cold, your love gives me strength to hold. When the road gets hard to see, your hand brings peace back to me. The reggae rhythm plays tonight, while the moon above is shining bright, dancing slowly beside the shore. I know I couldn't ask for more. My forever begins with your smile, a love that makes my heart where it belongs. Years may pass and time may fly, we'll still watch the sunrise paint the sky. We'll laugh together, we'll grow together, standing strong through every weather. We'll create memories along the way, beautiful moments for every day. From island mornings to moonlit nights, you will always be my brightest light. No storm can change the love we share, because true love will always care. And until my final breath is true, my forever will always be you. My forever begins with your smile, the greatest blessing after every mile. You are my sunshine, my dream come true. The best part of my life is you. My forever begins with your smile. I love you always, every mile. The stars may fade, the oceans move, but I'll forever be loving you. Oh yeah, forever my woman, forever my love. Yeah man, some smiles are just beautiful, but some smiles change your entire life. And yours started my forever. My forever begins with your smile. Yeah man, oh Jah, listen to the ocean, listen to the breeze. There is a rhythm only two hearts can understand. Your heart and mine. Me remember the first time you looked my way, like the sunrise bringing a beautiful day. Something inside me began to change. My whole world never felt the same. Your smile became my favorite song, the place where my heart feels it belongs. We walk together beside the sea, creating memories for you and me. The palm trees moved with the island breeze, the waves sang softly across the seas. Every heartbeat, every moment we share feels like a blessing beyond compare. Every heartbeat has a melody, a special song for you and me. Every moment, every start brings us closer heart to heart. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a beautiful song that never falls apart, moving together through every tide, forever walking side by side. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a love written from the very start. Under Caribbean sky so blue, my heart keeps dancing with you. Oh girl, you are my melody, my forever song. Me don't need gold from distant lands, I only need your loving hands. No treasure shining beneath the sea could ever mean more than you to me. When the rain falls and the night gets long, your love keeps my spirit strong. When the world feels heavy and cold, your heart is the warmth I hold. The reggae rhythm fills the night, the moon above is shining bright, dancing something you can see, it's something you feel deep inside the soul. Years may pass and time may fly, we'll still watch the stars fill the sky. We'll laugh together, we'll grow together, loving each other through every weather. We remember the days we began, walking together hand in hand. Every chapter our love will write, we'll shine like stars in the night. No ocean wave can pull us apart, because you're forever inside my heart. Until my final breath is true, my rhythm will always beat for you. The rhythm of two loving hearts, the sweetest song life ever starts. You are my sunshine, my dream come true. My heart will always dance with you. The rhythm of two loving hearts, a love that grows and never departs. The stars may fade, the oceans move, but I'll always be in love with you. Oh yeah, forever together. Oh yeah, forever in rhythm. Oh yeah, forever you and me. Yeah, man. Every ocean has a rhythm, every song has a beat, but the most beautiful rhythm is the one created when two hearts love as one. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. There were nights without a sunrise, there were storms I had to face, but then your love came like the moon through the darkness, showing me the way home. He was walking through the shadows alone, trying to find a place my heart could call home. The road was heavy, the nights were long, I was searching for where I belong. Then you came like a gentle light, a beautiful star in my darkest night. Your love touched the deepest part of me and showed my heart how to finally be free. The palm trees danced in the island breeze, the waves sang softly across the seas. Every moment standing close to you feels like a dream that came true. When the world feels cold and gray, your love always shows the way. Every shadow disappears when I know that you are near. Your love shines through my darkness like the moon across the sky. You give me hope when I feel broken, you teach my heart to fly. Your love shines through my darkness, the light I never knew. Through every storm and every struggle, I find my strength in you. Oh girl, you are my light, my forever love. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your love is worth more than all I hold. You gave me peace when my heart was tired, you lifted me when my dreams expired. The reggae rhythm plays tonight underneath the moon shining bright. The ocean breeze carries our song, a melody where my heart belongs. When the rain falls and the clouds appear, your loving voice brings me near. You remind me that I can stand tall, even when I feel I might fall. Your love shines through my darkness, a flame that will watch the sunrise by the sea, creating memories endlessly. We'll walk together beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us this far. Every chapter, every page we write will shine with your beautiful light. No darkness can cover what we share, because true love will always be there. Until my final breath is through, my heart will always shine because of you. Your love shines through my darkness, the brightest light I've ever known. You turn my lonely heart into a garden and made it feel like home. Your love shines through my dark, my guiding star at night. The world may change, the years may pass, but you will be my light. Oh yeah, forever my woman, forever my light. Yeah man, the moon shines brightest when the night is darkest, and my heart shines brightest because of your love. Oh yeah. Many people search the world looking for gold, looking for diamonds, but we found something greater, a treasure no one can see, hidden inside your heart. Travel many roads beneath the sun, searching for a love that could make me one. I crossed the waters, I followed the stars, looking for a place that could heal my scars. Then you came like a beautiful morning light, turning my darkness into something bright. Your kindness showed me a love so true, a treasure I never knew. The palm trees dance when you walk my way, the ocean shines brighter every day. Your gentle heart, your loving soul is the treasure that makes me whole. Every heartbeat tells me why you are the blessing in my life. Every sunrise shining above reminds me of your precious love. The treasure hidden in your heart was the gift that changed my life from the start. No gold or diamonds from the sea could ever mean as much to me. The treasure hidden in your heart is where my forever wants to start. Under Caribbean sky so blue, my greatest treasure will always be you. Oh girl, you are my treasure, my priceless love. Me don't need riches from distant lands, I only need your loving hands. Your heart is warmer than the morning sun, the place where my happiness begun. When the storm comes and the rain falls down, your love turns my worries around. When the world feels heavy and cold, your heart is the shelter I hold. The reggae rhythm fills the night, the moon above is shining bright, dancing slowly beside the shore. I fall in love with you even more. The treasure hidden in your heart is the most beautiful work of art. A love so pure, a love so true, a blessing that I found in you. The treasure hidden in your heart Some treasures are buried underground. Some treasures are found across the sea. But the greatest treasure is the love that lives inside someone. And I found mine inside you. Years may pass and time may fly. We'll still watch the sunrise paint the sky. We'll create memories along the way, growing stronger every day. We'll walk together beneath the palms, finding peace inside each other's arms. No distance, no storm, no changing tide can take this love from my side. Because the beauty that I see in you is something rare, something true, a treasure the world cannot compare, a love beyond anywhere. The treasure hidden in your heart is where my beautiful dream starts. You are my sunshine, my dream come true. My whole world belongs to you. The treasure hidden in your heart will stay with me when we're apart. The stars may fade, the oceans move, but I forever cherish you. Oh yeah, forever my woman, forever my treasure, forever my love. Yeah man, the world may search forever for something precious, but when you find a heart full of love, you find the greatest treasure. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. Listen to the ocean, the waves keep moving, the tide keeps flowing, just like my love for you, forever. Remember the day you came into my life, like a beautiful sunrise after the night. Your smile brought peace to my heart and soul, a love so deep that made me whole. We walked together beside the shore, creating memories forevermore. The palm trees danced in the island breeze, while love was growing beneath the trees. Your hand in mine, your eyes so bright, made every moment feel so right. The ocean waves could clearly see the love you brought inside of me. Like the rivers find the sea, your heart always flows to me. Every wave and every tide keeps our love alive inside. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, forever moving endlessly through every storm and every tide. I'll keep you always by my side. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, a beautiful love for you and me. No ocean can wash it away, it grows stronger every day. Oh girl, you are my ocean, my forever love. Me don't need treasures across the land, I only need your loving hand. No diamonds shining in the sun could replace the love we have begun. When the rain falls and the clouds turn gray, your love still brightens up my day. When the waves rise and the winds blow strong, together we keep moving along. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a reminder of how much we care. never stop dancing, and true love never stops growing. When two hearts are connected, nothing can separate them. Years may pass and time may change, but my love will stay the same. We'll watch the sunsets by the sea, making memories endlessly. We'll walk together beneath the palms, finding peace inside each other's arms. Every chapter, every story we write will shine like stars in the night. No distance can break what we share, because true love will always care. And until my final breath is true, my heart will always flow to you. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, a love that sets my spirit free. The waves may roll, the tides may move, but I'll never stop loving you. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea, the greatest gift life gave to me. Forever yours, forever true. My heart will always flow to you. Oh yeah, forever together, forever in love. Yeah man, the ocean has many waves, the sky has many stars, but my heart has only one direction, and every wave leads me back to you. Our love flows like the Caribbean Sea. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The world sees beauty in many places, in flowers, in sunsets, in the ocean. But the most beautiful thing is the heart that shines from within. Remember the day you came my way, bringing sunshine into my everyday. Not just your smile, not just your eyes, but the love inside you that truly shines. You carried kindness wherever you go, a gentle spirit that continues to grow. The island breeze feels warmer near you, because your heart is honest and true. The flowers bloom when you walk by, like nature is smiling beneath the sky. The ocean sings a peaceful tune while we dance beneath the Caribbean moon. Every star that lights the night shows the beauty of your inner light. Every moment I spend with you shows me a love so pure and true. The beauty living inside your soul is the love that makes my heart go. More precious than diamonds, more precious than gold. A beautiful story waiting to be told. The beauty living inside your soul is the treasure I will always hold. Under Caribbean skies so blue, the greatest blessing is loving you. Oh girl, your heart is beautiful. Your love is my paradise. Me don't don't need riches from far away. Your loving spirit brightens my day. The way you care, the way you love, feels like a blessing from above. When someone needs you, you always stand, offering your heart and helping hand. Your beauty goes deeper than what eyes can see. It's the person you are that means everything to me. The reggae rhythm plays so sweet when our hearts move to the same beat. The palm trees sway, the waves roll free, celebrating the love you bring to me. The beauty living inside your soul is the reason my heart feels whole. Your kindness shines brighter than the morning sun. A love like yours cannot be undone. The beauty living inside your soul is the greatest gift I could ever know. Through every season, through every tide, I'll treasure the heart you carry inside. Oh, Jah. True beauty never fades, because the brightest light comes from within. Years may pass and time may fly, we'll still watch the sunrise paint the sky. I'll hold your hand through every day and love you more along the way. We'll create memories beneath the palms, finding peace inside each other's arms. Every chapter our love will write will shine with your beautiful light. No ocean can measure what you mean to me. No words can explain what my heart can see, because the greatest beauty I've ever known is the soul you have shown. The beauty living inside your soul is the love that makes my life whole. You are my sunshine, my dream come true. My heart found everything in you. The beauty living inside your soul is the treasure I will forever hold. The stars may fade, the oceans move, but I'll always be loving you. Beauty can be seen, but true beauty is something the heart feels, and your soul will always be the most beautiful thing. Remember the day you came my way, bringing sunshine into my everyday. Not just your smile, not just your eyes, but the love inside you that truly shines. You carried kindness wherever you go, a gentle spirit that continues to grow. The island breeze feels warm and near you, because your heart is honest and true. The flowers bloom when you walk by, like nature is smiling beneath the sky. The ocean sings a peaceful tune while we dance beneath the Caribbean moon. The beauty living inside your soul is the love that makes my heart whole. More precious than diamonds, more precious than gold. A beautiful story waiting to be told. The beauty living inside your soul is the treasure I will always hold. And the Caribbean sky is so blue. greatest blessings, loving you, oh girl. Your heart is beautiful, your love is my paradise. You don't need riches from far away,